Hello my dear friends, how are you? So I've got a lot of stuff going on here. Look at all this. But I'll show you the winter wash. So what I've done here is I've just given it a really thick, heavy grey filter. So this is the colour I've gone with. It sort of has mid grey. I call it the mid grey. It's not neutral, it's a little bit darker than neutral. And I've just sort of completely, absolutely filthed it up with the grey wash. And I've redone the numbers to make them look like they're handwritten. So that's pretty cool. So we just got to let that dry. And then that can, you know, we can get cracking on that. So this now, just doing the acrylics on the turret here, so getting the chipping done. And then once that's finished, you can see here we start doing the oil works. See, the body here is a bit more advanced. And that really cool sort of effect you get here is done with this stuff. Crusted rust deposits. Pretty cool little product. So it's coming up pretty good. The wood effects are pretty good. So it's pretty impressive, especially with its little turret there. It'll look really cool. And I've got little figures in here to go with it. So I've got some little figures down there, Panzer Commander and the Radio Man. One of them's painted, one of them isn't. Oh, I've got the crew for this as well. So I'll put you to the side. So that's on the drying racks there. So I've got a Panzer crew for this one. For my Totenkopf Panzer 4. So we got these guys here. I've started on this guy. Oops. Oh, oops, the daisy. So I started with this guy, just, you know, doing his black uniform and highlighting it up and all that kind of stuff. But these are pretty cool resin figures. Now that's no highlights at all, that's just got its base coat. It's hard to see them when they're just base coated, hey? But they're very nice little figures. I'll go with the that tank. And then we got the commander. He's just got a broken commander hat, which is annoying, but that should be alright. They got really good heads, which I like. So that'll be the Panzer crew for the Totenkopf for this one. Should be good. And this is the Miniart Polish village house. This thing, I'll just put these back in their little spot. So this is the Polish village house. Oops. Unbalanced it. So you can see here I've had to do a lot of repair work to it. I put in a floor, so we've got a big thick wooden floor, Had to brace it all up because it was really falling apart. You see in there how it just comes apart. I didn't build it. This was the first kind of Miniart building I built. But what I didn't like about it is, you see there, you got the roof. That was just exposed. So on the inside it was just exposed, but I've put in my own roofing there. And once we get that all filled up and everything like that, maybe even I can put some wood paneling along the roof or something, or some tiles or something, or I don't know. But it's I've really got it improved. Now I can put the doors in and the windows, and that should be good. And we can make a little scene to go with the Totenkopf division, I suppose. And we can put some cool stuff in there. Put some cool stuff in there. It'd be really cool. Also, this is for Totenkopf as well. So I've built this very nice little car by Miniart, the Type 170V. So I'm just starting to do a little bit of chipping on it and get this nice and ready. I'm going to put a new Mercedes thing on the top. I've got a spare one. But yeah, really nice. Trying to get this open, but I couldn't get it open. I'm pretty sure I left that door open. Couldn't get it open. I left the back door open. I got that open. That looks cool on the inside. And then we've got that glued on now. Really nice little car. Really nice. What I like about it, if you look underneath here, what a detailed little model. Love that muffler. And then you've got the whole engine, steering system. See, you even got the little suspension, the springs. Nasty little car. And this can go with the Totenkopf division. As you can see, I've got the little Totenkopf skull at the back. But once that's you know, I've got the chipping done and we get some more oils onto it and all that kind of stuff, this will look really good. It already does look really good. I want to do more of these. I've got a lot more in my stash. You know, I've got that leafer wagon there. A lot more of them. See, I got this one, the saloon. Then there's another one under there, I do believe. Yep, that one there. Repairing on the road. So I've got a few of those, which is really good. I've also got some trucks. I'd like to start building, there's this Soviet one. Yeah, this one here. That Soviet truck. This looks like a very, very hard kit to build. So I might do that at some point soon. Get started on this, and this will be a very difficult build. And yeah, I might do that on camera or something like that. Well, anyway, my friends, I'm going to go stay at my brother's house. Have a break from modelling. And I'll come back tomorrow and do some more. Alright guys, I'll speak to you again soon. Bye.